If Adobe Premiere Pro isn't responding, don't worry. There are a few steps you can follow to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Let's go through them one by one. Start by checking your system's graphics settings to ensure Premiere Pro is using your GPU effectively. Press the Windows key to open the Start menu, then type Graphics Settings in the search bar. Once the settings open, look for Premiere Pro in the list. If it's not there, click the Browse button, locate the Premiere Pro application file, and add it. After adding, click on Options and set it to High Performance. This step ensures that Premiere Pro uses your GPU for better performance. Next, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, open the GeForce Experience application. For AMD GPUs, open the AMD Adrenalin software. Check for any available updates and install them if needed. Updated drivers often fix bugs that could be causing Premiere Pro to freeze. If the problem persists, clear Premiere Pro's media cache. Open Premiere, then go to the Edit menu, choose Preferences, and click on Media Cache. Here, you'll see an option to delete cache files. Select the choice that clears unused files while keeping the active ones. This removes unnecessary temporary files that might be slowing down the software. Now, go to the Memory tab and reduce the RAM reserved for other applications to its lowest setting. This adjustment gives Premiere Pro more system resources, helping it run more smoothly. However, keep in mind that this may slow down other programs running in the background. Lastly, adjusting the video rendering settings can also help. Go to File, then select Project Settings and click on General. Under Video Rendering and Playback, change the renderer to Mercury Playback Engine software only. This switch prioritizes stability over speed, which is useful if the software is crashing during rendering. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues causing Premiere Pro to become unresponsive. Thanks for watching.